we should always remember that Vasudeva is everything. Still, everything is not Vasudeva. Just like in a big factory, in your country or in America, that Ford, Mr. Ford, has got a very big factory. So, in the factory, everywhere, the Mr. Ford is there. If you have to see Mr. Ford, you cannot see the car Ford and you become satisfied. The car is also written there, Ford. So if I want to see Mr. Ford, and if you see the car, and you say, now I met with Mr. Ford, that is foolishness. The car is Ford, but Ford is not the car. In this way, try to understand. Everything is God, but everything is not God. In this way, you have to understand. Don't be misled by the Mayavadi philosophy that everything is God and my knowledge is finished. That is imperfect.